بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم أرأيت الذي يكذب بالدين.
In the name of Allah, the entirely merciful, the especially merciful. Have you seen the one who denies the recompense?
فذلك الذي يدع اليتيم.
For that is the one who drives away the orphan.
ولا يحض على طعام المسكين.
And does not encourage the feeding of the poor.
فويل للمصلين.
So woe to those who pray.
الذين هم عن صلاتهم ساهون.
But who are heedless of their prayer.
الذين هم يراءون.
Those who make show of their deeds.
ويمنعون الماعون.
And withhold simple assistance.